Hey, good morning everyone. Today I have an easy cookie recipe that I like to make quite often. It's so easy. It's only, the original recipe I had was for 3 ingredients, but I added a 4th, and I'll tell you why as we get into this. So it's peanut butter oat cookies. So easy to make and so good. So I have already, I'll turn this down so you can see what I'm doing. Let's hope the camera doesn't fall in the bowl. Alright, I've already added 1 egg. That's all you need, 1 egg. Just kind of mix it up. Then you add 1 cup of sugar. And I'm going to go ahead and mix that up a little bit too. Makes it all easier to incorporate if you mix each ingredient in as you go. How's your day been so far? What are your plans today? It's a wonderful Sunday. It's kind of, the humidity is kind of low today. Okay. 1 cup of peanut butter. I don't use the chunky kind because I don't like those, you know, those big peanut parts in there. I like the smooth kind. I use Jif. You use whatever brand you like the most. Get it all in. Okay, now when I originally made this recipe, this was it, just 3 ingredients. But I found that trying to roll these cookies into balls to put on the cookie sheet, it was super sticky. Stuck to my hands, hard to make them into balls. So I decided to add oats. This is 1 cup of oats. And what this does, takes away all that great stickiness that made it so difficult to form into balls. And I like the additional flavor and texture of the cookies. So I have been making it this way now for a good while. Got to get them all mixed up. Some of you who have been following my videos will be glad to know that Mrs. Key has calmed down considerably. Let's see if I can show you. Well, I don't think I can see her. I'll move over here. Well, I can't find her. There she is, on the floor. Not on the cabinet, the way it should be. She has calmed down a whole lot. Except last night I was walking across the floor. She wrapped her little arms around me, dug her claws in, and bit me on the leg. But she's calmed down. Okay, so here's this. Now, I'm going to show you this. It's my Tupperware container from 1974. I got this, I think, I don't know, it must have been some kind of party I bought this from. But I've had it for a long, long time. I used to have the whole set. I don't know what happened to the rest of them. Have no idea. Okay, now you want to take a cookie sheet. I put foil on mine because my cookie sheets, unfortunately, are extremely old. So they have to have foil. Okay. Now we're going to take about, I'm going to call these small tablespoons because they are small. Take about that much in it. Now this is so easy to roll into a ball. Super Easy. And if I didn't have the oats, this peanut butter would be sticking to my hands. It's a nightmare trying to get all that off of there. So you get the idea. Just keep going round and round on your cookie sheet. And I'll keep doing that and show you later. Okay, as you can see, got them all on there. Made them into balls. Now you just kind of want to flatten them down with a fork. Did y'all pick up that accent? Fork with a fork. That's how I talk. East Texas country. Now you want to preheat your oven to 350. And you're going to bake these for about 10 minutes. Oops, it stuck to the thing. Just like that. Okay, I'll come back and show you the finished product. 10 minutes later, and so here they are. Don't they look great? Easy to make, wonderful cookies. I think I'll watch a movie tonight and eat cookies. They're really good. I hope you try them. I'm going to make a video soon, and I want to take y'all to the town I grew up in and I worked in as a newly divorced mother of 2. And I hope y'all will tune in for that. That should be coming up really soon. Until then, I hope you all have a good day. I hope God is good to you, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.